Hey there, Salesforce enthusiasts! Welcome to Access 101 by Careerya, the podcast where we break down the basics of Salesforce access control. I'm Careerya, your guide through the maze of permission sets and permission set groups. Stick around for simple explanations, real-world examples, and a quiz to see how much you've soaked in. Podcast episode: Unlocking Access in Salesforce, Permission Sets and Groups Demystified. So, what's the fuss about permission sets and groups? Let's put it in simple terms. Segment 1: Custom Keys Permission Sets. Permission sets are like custom keys you give to certain people in your Salesforce world. You know, like how you have a key to your house, but maybe a spare key for your friend to water your plants. Example 1. Imagine you have a team of sellers, and some need access to special sales info. Instead of giving everyone a master key, you create a permission set called Sales VIPs. This set unlocks the exclusive sales info only for those who really need it. Now, let's talk about permission set groups. Segment 2: Team Access Permission Set Groups. Permission set groups are like bundling up different keys into one convenient keychain. If permission sets are individual keys, permission set groups are the keychain that holds them together. Example 2. Think of your marketing team. They have different tasks like emails, social media, and analytics. Instead of handing out separate keys for each task, you create a permission set group named Marketing Crew. This keychain unlocks all the doors the team needs to access, keeping things neat and organized. Now, let's make it even simpler with a real-life example. Segment 3: Real Talk Salesforce in Action. Imagine your company uses Salesforce for everything sales, support, and analytics. You have teams for each, and they all need access, but to different stuff. Example scenario. For sales, you create a permission set named Sales Stars, opening doors to sales stuff. Support gets a key named Helpful Heroes just for their doors. Now, for the team that needs a bit of both, like analytics, you bundle the Sales Stars and Helpful Heroes keys into a permission set group called Data Magicians. Let's see how much you've grasped with a quick quiz. Quiz: Quick check on permission sets and groups. Question 1. What's the main deal with permission sets? Listen for an answer. Answer 1. Permission sets are custom keys that give specific access beyond what regular keys, profiles, offer. Question 2. When do you use permission set groups? Listen for an answer. Answer 2. You use permission set groups when you want to bundle up different keys, permission sets, into one keychain for a team. Awesome! Let's wrap it up. Closing thoughts. Permission sets and groups are like giving out keys to your Salesforce kingdom, ensuring the right people get into the right rooms. Keep it simple, keep it organized. Thanks for hanging out with Access 101. If this made your Salesforce journey a bit clearer, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and hit subscribe for more Salesforce simplicity. Until our next chat about all things Salesforce, this is Careerya, signing off. Remember, in the world of keys, simplicity is the master key.